In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create some music on GarageBand from scratch. So I'm going to choose an empty project to begin with. It will then ask me how I would like to start my project. So would I like my first track to be some software instrument? Would I like to plug in a guitar? Would I like to use one of the virtual drummers? Well, in my particular project, what I'd like to do is I'd like to use the microphone on the Mac itself to record some audio over the top of some music that I'm going to create using Apple Loop. So I'm going to choose the recording using a microphone or line input. Okay, from there I can start creating my project. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to start by using Apple Loops. Now, Apple Loops are tiny little clips of pre-recorded instruments that you can put together to create a song. So I'm going to choose instruments to begin with, and I'm going to start with drums. So I'm going to choose all drums, and then you've got a whole list of different loops that you can choose from. So for example, okay, if you're happy with that particular beat, then you can drag and drop it into your project like I've just done. And if you want that to go on throughout your entire project, then you can loop it. So there you go, simple as that to create about 11 bars of music there. So I'm going to go back to where it says instruments and press the X there, and I'll have all of my instruments back. For the next instrument that I'm going to loop into my project, I'm going to choose some electric guitar, and again you can just scroll through and choose a sound that you like. I'm going to go for that, and from there I can loop that one as well if I want to. So far my piece of music sounds like this. Okay, on the side here I have the opportunity to do some pretty simplistic mixing. At the moment my guitar is much louder than my drums, so I'm going to turn up the drums, turn down the guitar, and let's have a listen to the effect of that. Okay, pretty good so far. And at the top I've still got my audio track, so if I wanted to I could record some lyrics over the top of that, or I could even read some dramatic poetry over the top of my piece of music, or link it to all sorts of different learning opportunities by just simply using the microphone that's built into the Mac itself. So there you go, that's a quick and easy way of creating music on GarageBand from scratch.